Hanggang sa mga Bisaya.
Kain ka muna dyan, kay mag-work muna si mama. Okay, guys, good. Bro, kasabaan ko nila, guys. Ay, guys, dahil kay...
Good afternoon.
Paano daw? Pasalitain mo naman yung guest. Ganun talaga ako, guys. Ako talaga nagasalita. So, familiar na sa inyo yan pag nakita nyo siya sa Davao, sa Cagayan, sa Bukidnon, grabe, sa New Zealand, sa Australia, diba? Si Miss Grace, she's back.
Hello po. Good afternoon.
Again, remind natin, sino ka nga ulit sa buhay ko?
Ako po ang kanyang financial advisor. Hindi lang po financial advisor, sister in my heart. Even though we are not related to blood, but sister in my heart po talaga. Friend.
And mommy friend namin yan. Kaya, mga anak namin. Ayan. So, andito ngayon si Miss Grace. Normally, dapat may kunin lang siya na item sa akin kay sa sobrang galing niya magdala ng damit. Ginahubaran siya ng mga kliyente niya. Hindi man siya pwede maghubad. So, ginaturo niya yung tindahan ko ngayon. Maraming nagabili dahil recommended niya. So, ganun kayo maghanap ng friends. Wag yung one way. Wag yung friend na, yung gagatasan ka. Gagatasan. Okay, sige. So, since nandito si Miss Grace, merong mga tanong doon sa episode na in-upload ko regarding sa malaking regalo ni Mr. Giga sa akin tsaka sa mga bata na kinonvert ko into insurance. Hoy, diba? Kinonvert ko into insurance. And, since nandito siya ngayon and I noticed maraming questions, I want to take this opportunity kasi busy yan si Miss Grace. So, merong mga tanong dito na gusto ko sagutin niya on the spot. Walang preparation to. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kagaling as a financial advisor. Diba? Makikita niyo, guys. So, nilagyan ko siya ng microphone para lahat is clear for you guys. Sa lahat ng mga nag-comment ng negative at positive, try ko magpili. Doon sa negative, hindi naman negative, but question, babasahin natin. So, first is si Rhythm Rift. Sabi ni Rhythm Rift, usahay, dili pud ta makaasa 100% sa insurance. Kay sama sa amo ang na-experience, katulad ng na-experience namin, malaki masyado yung insured namin. Pero pagdating ng panahon na gusto na namin i-enjoy, hindi naman dineclare sa amin ng agent na nalugi pala yung company insurance. Kaya I would say na maybe yung iba magaling, pero mostly daw talaga hindi magaling. So let's see. Miss Grace, how are you going to answer that comment? Kasi hindi daw sila in-update after na nakuha yung pera, no? 'Di ba? May mga agent na gano'n. Pero hindi nagasabi kung ano yung status, 'di ba? Alam mo 'yan. May mga agent na gano'n. Hindi ka na ina-update anong status ng company.
Yes.
So tell me, for us, anong company mo right now? Ano yung insurance na binili namin sa iyo?
Okay, hello po. Ma'am, ito yung name niya?
Rhythm.
Ma'am Rhythm. Okay, ma'am. Depende talaga yan. Ma'am, I'm ProLife UK financial advisor po since last year. So, for me, ma'am, even though bago talaga ako kukuha ng insurance, is titingnan ko yung company, how long they are. Kay, hindi man ito pera-pera lang. So, kami as a financial advisor, even though naging client din ako ng isang financial advisor, ma'am, sad to say, the other company, hindi talaga ako kumuha. Why? May mga question kasi ako na hindi nila masagot. And so bad because I'm not tell to everybody is magaling talaga when it comes sa pagbenta ng insurance. But for me, ma'am, as of now, because I'm a financial advisor, tinitingnan ko talaga yung company kung gaano katagal. And second, you need to trust your financial advisor. Hindi lang into sales, but communication it must. Kaya whatever happen, we are not surely na mag-stay ako sa company for too long because I have some ang tanong ito, may mga balak din ako sa buhay ko, ano? But if you trust your financial advisor, ma'am, you can ask. And before you get the policy or before you insure yourself, ma'am, kailangan mong itanong sa financial advisor mo kung ano yung pagiging possible na mangyari sa ipuput up mo na money. Sometimes kasi, may mga financial, not all, may mga financial advisor na into sales. But there are a lot of financial advisor na in a good faith, in a good heart. So, ganun po ako magsilbi ng aking client. Hindi ko nila lahat, but there are company magud is very sugar, masyadong sugar coat, masyado. Oh, this is, pero ma'am, ikaw po mismo ang mag-analyze kung paano nyo po ilagay yung pera nyo sa insurance. Because there's a lot of product of ProLife UK. Investment, health, retirement plan, anything, college fund, depende po sa inyo yun, ma'am, kung ano yung focus nyo, kung ano yung goal. Oh, example, kasi yung sinabi nyo nga, I don't think so if yung nilagay mo sa insurance mo is investment. When investment fund tayo, ma'am, high risk po talaga yan. It possible, magtataas yung value ng money mo, it possible low, but hindi ko masasabi na lugi po kayo. Siguro yung company na pinaglagyan nyo ng pera is, yung stock market nila is hindi global. Kasi sometimes there's a lot of insurance here in the Philippines. Si ProLife UK kasi global kami. Global niya ini-invest yung pera ng mga client, kaya lahat talaga ng ini-invest sa ProLife, ma'am, is kumikita. Kaya hindi natin ma-compare yung ProLife UK sa ibang company.
Yes.
Yan yun. Kailangan mo talagang isipin yung company, kung gaano katagal, yung financial advisor nyo po, kung how you deal with it. Yung makikipag-communicate ka talaga. Kasi, yun nga, ma'am, sad to say talaga, yung mga financial advisor, yun yung mga thinking nila. Pagpatapos
Magbenta
ka nilang,
lang.
magbenta
Yes.
ka lang, okay na. But, hindi naman lahat. Hindi
lahat.
naman po talaga
So,
lahat.
know your financial advisor,
Yes.
who you trust, you have to
Yes.
choose, and then know the company. Na talagang maganda yung record.
Yes.
Okay, merong another dito. Thank you, Miss Grace. May another dito. Sabi ni Ma'am Enaro, wala naman yan, yung 1.5 million pesos na yan, hindi nga yun makabili ng kotse. Kasi kunyari, na insured ako. Ngayon, if palayo lang, Lord, we don't really want that to happen. If may nangyari at yung aking life insurance is 1.5 million pesos, sabi ni Ma'am Enaro, wala lang daw yan kasi kahit kotse, hindi mabibili niyan. Okay? Buti pa daw, sinave ko daw yung pera ko sa bangko kasi tutubo daw dun sa bangko. Dahil may term, parang may term daw siya dun. So, paano natin sasagutin yan? Sabi ni Ma'am, 1.5 million pesos, hindi naman makaano ng ano yan, makabili ng kotse, ang liit-liit, sabi ni Ma'am. Oh, anong comment mo doon?
Doon naman, ma'am, sa comment nyo po sa live, sa YouTube ni Miss Yaga, depende talaga yan sa inyo, ma'am. If you believe that your money is tutubo sa bangko, then be it. Maglagay kayo doon. But, if you need, kasi ma'am, you didn't even know what happened tomorrow.
Yes.
What if, okay ma'am, I'm asking you a question. What if magsakit ka ngayon? Do you think enough yung money mo sa bank para ma-rescue ka? Whereas, kung ilagay mo siya sa life insurance, ma'am, hindi lang life ang sinisecure ni life insurance, ma'am, pati yung critical illnesses mo. At the same time, yung binabayad nyo po every month, nag-create o nag-accumulate po yan siya ng fund value na kung buhay pa tayo, ma'am, in the long run, ma'am, masatisfied ka talaga. Depende kasi yan sa mindset ng Pilipino. Pilipino talaga, iba ang mindset nila kumpara sa ibang bansa. Pero kung sabihin mo, ma'am, na 1.5 is a small amount, for us, ma'am, is a big help to the family.
Yes.
Whatever happened to me, ma'am, hindi mamumulubi yung anak ko o hindi pupunta sa government para humingi ng tulong.
Okay, bigyan ko kayo ng example ha. Kasi meron akong na-curious na offer kay ProLife. Na-curious lang ako dito, but I'm going to share with you. This is the yung annual na 2 years to pay na life insurance that you will be insured 1.2 million pesos. Guys, I am going, if this one applies to you or to me, this is 2 years to pay, annual mo siyang babayaran worth 250 pesos for 1 year, 250,000 pesos for the second year. After that 2 years, na fully paid mo na yung life insurance mo worth 500,000 pesos, but you are insured for 1.2 million pesos.
Coverage.
Plus, you are insured until what age?
85
years old ka. Plus, on the third year, or make it 5 years, you can actually take out or earn your fund value
into
na umaabot at least more than half a million. Kung curious kayo dito sa sinabi ko, ma'am, you're going to put 500,000 tapos insured ka ng 1.2, paki-minus na lang ako, ma'am. Okay? Paki-minus ako this life insurance is a lot better than putting money in the bank.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just saying, I am very persistent in sharing this with you, hindi ako bayad ng pro-life, hindi ako dito nagpo-promote ng pro-life. These are yung mga bagay na nakakagigil sa akin sa part ko kasi I just accepted the fact this time lang. Ang dami kong nasayang na panahon. Ang dami kong nasayang na pera. Sana inuna kong i-secure yung sarili ko. Di sana ngayon paid na siya. Okay? So, example lang yan. Okay, next may comment dito. Maganda tong comment na to. Sabi ni Ma'am, Just Me Joy. Congrats po, insured na ang whole family mo, Ma'am Princess. Yes po, priority talaga yung breadwinner. At kung minor pa yung kids, mas okay. Yung beneficiary ay trusted family member din.
Yes.
Pwede din po magtira ng money sa bank for emergency purposes para mas liquid to diversify and manage risk. Pwede kayo maglagay sa InsureVest. Pinaka-important po dito yung protection bonus na lang, yung fund value.
Yes.
So, bonus na lang yung fund value. Pero
Exactly.
pinaka-importante dito, insured ka.
Lifetime.
Yes, kasi ako guys, kunyari, ayoko man na may mangyari sa akin, promise, tatayo talaga ako sa bangkay, guys. Tatayo talaga ako sa hukay. Kayo mga anak ko, paano kung hindi ako insured? Sino?
Apat pa yung anak mo.
Mayaman ako sa mga kapatid ko, guys. Kahit mahal nila yung mga anak ko, if I can do something now, I would. Kasi alam ko, mahal na mahal nila yung mga anak ko. Pero it would be easier for them to manage kung insured ako as breadwinner ng mga anak ko. Okay? Yun, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Just Me Joy. Okay, another question dito. Sabi ni Ma'am, wait lang, hanap tayo dito, ha? Wait lang po. Okay, sabi ni Ma'am Burden Kel, ang hanap ko pong insurance sana, katulad dito sa Germany, meron kaya yung pag may sakit ako, libre na ako sa hospital, baka may maalok kayo. Health,
okay.
yung kanyang concern.
Yung sa inyo naman po, ma'am, pwede kayo sa HMO. Kung gusto nyo talagang, kasi si HMO,
meaning?
Si HMO kasi, ma'am, is more on health siya. Kumbaga, hospital. Iba kasi si life insurance. Si life insurance kasi is cover niya into critical. Then, yung sinasabi nyong afford nyo sa hospital, pwede din naman i-tie up, dalawa day. But si HMO, Manggod, is only health. Wala kayong makukuhang life. Whatever happens sa inyo, i-shoulder niya lang yung bill sa hospital. But it difference to life insurance, you cover for critical illnesses and you cover your life.
Yes.
Yun yung kagandahan ng yun yung
Yes.
magkaiba sa dalawa.
Yes.
Yung sa kanya, is same yun sa sinasabi niya HMO.
Yes. So, more on hospital bills yun.
Hospital
so,
bills
depende.
lang yan.
Like
It
I
depende
said,
yun.
sobrang daming products ng ProLife UK.
Yes.
Okay, next. Meron dito sabi, Ma'am, OFW ako. Malayo ako nasa Antique. Next year ako uuwi. Kaso 55 years old na ako. Pwede pa din bang mag-apply ng life insurance?
Yes po. Is a yes, ma'am. But, lagi kong sinasabi, ma'am, pag mga OFW, we are not allowed to secure pag nasa ibang bansa po kayo. Kailangan po is nasa Pinas. 55 years old, ma'am, yes, pwede pa tayo sa life and pwede ka rin po sa critical illnesses. At the same time, ma'am, in the investment. Maganda yun.
Yes. Yes, thank you, Ma'am Grace. Ngayon, may nagsabi dito, Ma'am Grace, please contact me. So, mag-comment ka na lang ng details mo dyan, ha? Ma'am Grace, paki-contact naman ako. Sabi ni Ma'am Mariza Arcilia.
Okay, ma'am. Titingnan
Okay
ko
po.
later po.
Yes.
Puputakin kita.
Then si Ma'am Nelly, sabi niya, pag si Mr. Giga kasi nagka-other family ulit, baka hindi niya na-afford ulit magsustento. Tsaka baka mag-ask na siya ng divorce sa'yo para makapakasal siya ng bago. Tama naman. Kaya nga, ginasabi ko sa inyo, I want to put everything in order. Kasi
Yes.
nothing is certain. Pwedeng may mangyari kay Mr. Giga, hindi ko naman pinipray yan, no? Medyo nagtampo ako sa kanya for 3 years na hindi siya nagsustento, but I don't wish him that part. Pwedeng may mangyari sa akin, madaming pwedeng mangyari, okay? Now, for last close natin to, no, yung iba hindi ko na mabasa, but again, if you want to contact Miss Grace, she's going to comment sa comments niya
Yes.
down below. And please, guys, ask for what suits you. Do not worry about akala nyo mahal or what not. Sabihan nyo si Miss Grace, Ma'am, gusto ko may life insured ako, ma'am ba? Kaya wala talaga mag-alaga sa akin, ma'am. Mga walang kwenta, walang utang na loob talaga yung pamilya ko dyan sa Pilipinas, ma'am ba? Ano man yung pwede ko, ma'am, ano? Ma'am, ang budget ko, ma'am, 3,000 pesos lang talaga, ma'am, 5,000 lang talaga. Sabihan nyo si Miss Grace. wag kayo magpa-stress, wag kayo mag-overthink, okay?
Yes.
So ngayon, last question ko kay Miss Grace. Miss Grace, can you give us a certain instance or a short story wherein a client actually did not expect na yung kanyang kinuhang life insurance actually saved him or her in a certain situation? Just give us 1 or 2. Ayun. Sige, go. May client ka ba na may unique story na unang-una hindi believer and then
Yes,
after that?
ito ma'am, kasi mayroon akong client, actually, customer ko siya sa live selling ko before. She is not believer in insurance. Actually and honestly, because sabi nga nila, nadala sila sa nakuha nila before. Na so happen na namatay yung mother nila is wala silang nakuha. So for me, every day ko talaga siyang mini-message. Wala akong palya. And to encourage her na kailangan talaga nila kumuha ng life insurance kay ang ilahang relatives is prone og mga sakit-sakit.
Yes,
And
yes.
so happen, ma'am, nag-post ako regarding cancer. I'm so very lucky on that day. Why? Siya mismo kumontak sa akin.
Wow.
And we met on the Sunday. Hindi po ako nagtatrabaho ng Sunday. Pero during, nag-PM siya sa akin, and yun lang talaga yung time niya. Alam nyo ba, related ito sa question kanina. Kinuwento niya sa akin na she has a 4 million in the bank. In 4 million niya sa bangko, ang tinubo lang is 2,000 pesos a year.
Oh my gosh.
Then, she asked me kung ano yung magandang gawin niya sa pera niya kasi yun lang yung tinubo. Then, I offered a 2 years plan.
Yeah.
Pero yung unang kinuha niya kasi gusto niya ng health muna, so I offer, same sa'yo, sis, yung VUL.
Yung
I offer product pa plus sa client ko. Then, grabe ka, Blas. In the other day, kinontak niya ako ulit. Nag-secure siya, asawa niya at anak. And so happen, I'm so very lucky again, kay kumuha siya nung 2 years plan, winidraw niya talaga yung 4
Yes.
million niya sa bank dahil nilagay niya po sa akin. She is so very trusted me because ginapakita ko talaga sa kanya how financial advisor I am to serve client. Kung ano yung needs ng client. Kung ano yung possible na ma-enjoy pa nila yung 4 million nila habang buhay pa
So,
sila.
can you give us an idea anong nangyari dun sa 4 million? Paano? Anong annual fee ba yung kinuha niya?
Ang kinuha nila mag-asawa. So, naglagay sila sa akin ng 1 million each, 2 million.
For one annual nila magkano?
Yeah, annual nila is 1 million.
1 million.
Isipon ni mama ha,
So, 2 years to pay yon.
Yun.
So, 2
2
million.
million. 1 million nila, ma'am, is 5 million coverage. Whatever happens sa family nila is cover na sila noon. Yun lang yung kakandahan. Kasi investment fund yun. Investment yung
Yes.
kinuha nila. And so happen, I'm so lucky lang kasi meron pala daw silang dream house. Dream house na ipuput up. So doon nila kukunin after 5 years.
Wow.
2 years plan, but in the 5 years,
Kukunin
ROI
nila.
ka na.
Yes,
Kasi
ROI ka
i-build
na.
nila yun
Yes.
ng dream house
Yes.
nila. Diba? I'm so very
Yes.
lucky for that client.
Same like what you were actually trying to share to me.
Yes.
Kasi may sinishare sa akin si Miss Grace. Kasi nga, 'di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, may plano si Mr. Yiga na taasan yung sustento. So I have put up a vision in my head, inshallah, to take care of myself first kasi ako yung major guardian ng mga bata. I am taking care of my kids physically 100%, emotionally 100%, spiritually 100%, financially 80%. Now I will give the 20% to Mr. Yiga, but that is not enough. But I will not complain kasi sabi ko sa inyo, I want to keep a grateful heart, okay? I want to focus on being grateful rather than complaining kasi malayo yan sa blessing. I prayed for Mr. Yiga to support financially and now he's doing it. I'm grateful. But I want to make the right decision para in case may mangyari, my children are not going to suffer and so are the people na maiiwan.
Exactly.
So Miss Grace is actually telling me, she's just telling me, no, kasi sabi ko sa kanya ganito, kwento ko sa kanya. So she said na eto nga example lang to, etong annual na 250,000 per year, na every year once a year ka magbabayad, 2 years to pay, a total of 500,000 pesos. In just a matter of 5 years, you guys, yung 500,000 pesos mo na yan ay mawi-withdraw mo yung kanyang investment part niya, which is more than what you actually put, diba? Na pwede ko siyang gamitin habang buhay pa. So sabi ko kay Miss Grace, inshallah pag buhay pa. Kasi sabi ko, Miss Grace, paano pag umabot sa ganitong point? Pero for me, I want to be insured yung buhay ko para sa mga anak ko, but also I want to be able to enjoy. Gusto ko din mag-enjoy kasi pagod na ako, guys. Alam yan nila kung gaano ang pagod ko. I also want to appreciate life. So, binigyan ako ni Miss Grace ng option na ganito para at least after 5 years, pwede kong makuha yung aking investment part, yung na-save ng pera ko na never mangyayari pag nilagay ko sa bangko to do what I want to do. Maybe I can use it to start as a passive business, 'di ba? A rental apartment, whatnot. Maybe I can use it to buy a house and a small kubo sa probinsya kung gusto ko na mag-retire. Maybe yung pangarap ko na makatapak sa Switzerland, magawa ko, 'di ba? Bago man lang kunin ni Lord, 'di ba? So ang dami-dami, guys. And I'm praying that everything will actually go well sa vision ko, but I'm not, like I said, I'm just praying. Kasi if I focus too much on that, sometimes nakaka-frustrate din, no?
Yes.
So you just have to pray na everything will go as...
Yeah.
Kasi
hindi naman natin kailangan ilagay lahat. Depende pa rin yan sa inyo.
Example lang yun.
If you want to save money to your bank, so be it. Save it.
Yes.
If you want to invest to the company or the life insurance, so be it. You can do that if what you want. Kasi magmamatter po talaga yan sa inyo. Hindi yan siya, kami lang is bilang financial advisors to help you lang.
Yes.
To help you,
Mag-advise
to serve
lang.
you, to advise if what, hindi naman yun, kailangan lang yan para kumita. No, hindi po ganyan. Kasi ang dami na po naming client. When it comes sa claim, ProLife UK is the best.
Yes.
It's easy when it comes sa claim. Kasi meron na rin akong client na na-claim.
Nice.
Yeah.
Etong si Madam na 4 million, etong 1 million ang annual niya, ilang taon na siya?
Si ma'am, 46.
Bata pa si ma'am. Ang ganda at nahabol niya magpaano, no? Imagine, 4 million sa bangko, hindi gumalaw, 2,000 pesos lang, no?
Diba?
So, guys, that's it. I will not hold Miss Grace any longer. I just wanted to really let her answer you guys face to face. Again, sa mga curious, si Miss Grace magko-comment sa comment ninyo down below.
Magko-comment ako doon.
Ang ganda niyang kausap. So, please, if you have the time, video call her para iwas tayo sa scam. I highly recommend her, coming from me, Princess Higa. If you trust me, I am actually recommending Miss Grace for you to trust
May naka-video
her.
call na ako.
May naka-video call ka na.
She is UK. Mag-uwi siya next year.
Wow.
So, single mom. Magkikita kami sa Manila.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Ang dami ko na video call actually.
Wow, thank you.
Ang dami ko
sa
na pong
pagtiwala.
talagang na video call from the follower of Miss Yega. Thank you kayo mga madam.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat guys for trusting me. Your trust is enough for me to be happy kasi I just want you guys to put your money in the right place. Huwag kayong tumulad sa akin 10 taon. Wala akong nagawa. Nagtrabaho ako 10 taon, wala man lang akong nabili kahit kapiranggot na lupa. Hindi pa huli.
Yes.
So right now, let me try to do one thing at a time. So once again, maraming salamat, Ma'am
Thank you so much
Grace.
po.
Thank
God
you
bless everyone.
So much. Okay. Alam mo na, ang galawan natin ha. Pag madami na sila talaga,
Yes.
ipaubaya mo na sa akin yung next trip to
Yes.
Switzerland mo. Switzerland
Go, go,
talaga ang
go.
tinarget. Thank you. Alright guys, maraming salamat. I'll see you guys on the next one. Kung may tanong pa kayo,
Comment lang.
Yes, and if you guys really want to talk to Miss Grace, ilagay nyo lang yung details nyo sa baba, email ninyo, WhatsApp ninyo, or whatever, or email. Then mag-email muna kayo. Then if you're comfortable enough, you can do video call. Again, maraming salamat you guys. Much love, Princess Higa.
Wow,